following video is a 2011 HAAS OL-1. It's an office lathe. First thing we'll do is we'll do a brief video demonstration. We'll show the axes, then we'll show the spindle, and then lastly we'll show the live tooling attachment this machine has. First, we have it in is your Z-axis. Your Z, your X, this machine has a 4.5-inch chuck on it. We're going to run it up. We'll start at 500 RPM. Spindle's at 500 RPM. Next we'll show 1,000. 1,000 RPM. Go to 1,500. 1,500 RPM. It's your load. Last we go to 2,000 RPM. That's 2,000 RPM on the main spindle. Now this machine has a live spindle attachment on it. You can see it's on. You can regulate the speed. That's faster, slower, etc. And then on and off. It's in very nice condition. Again, the following video is a HAAS OL-1 CNC lathe, new 2011.